Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm creating a sun-kissed, no makeup everyday look that gives your skin a natural glow with very minimal and affordable products. This look is perfect for daily wear, school, work, or casual outings. All the products I used are budget-friendly and easily available, and I shared full details for each one. If you liked this soft glam, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more looks like this. Let me know in the comments which product you want a full review on next. Step 1. Skin prep, very important. I start by prepping the skin with Pond's Super Light Gel, which is lightweight, non-greasy, and gives a smooth, hydrated base without making the face oily. After that, I apply Biore UV Aqua Rich SPF 50, a water-based sunscreen that protects the skin and adds a natural dewy glow without leaving a white cast. Step 2. Light base, no heavy foundation. I go in with Maybelline Fit Me Fresh Tint, which gives sheer coverage, lets the skin show through, and keeps the look natural. For spot concealing, I only use Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer under the eyes or on dark spots because it blends easily and still looks like real skin. Step 3. Sun-kissed glow. To add a warm sun-kissed flush, I use Earth Rhythm Lip and Cheek Tint, which blends seamlessly and gives a natural, skin-like finish. For glow on the high points of the face, I apply a small amount of Swiss Beauty Liquid Highlighter on the cheekbones, nose, and eyelids for a soft shine without glitter. Step 4. Brows and lashes, soft and simple. For brows, I lightly fill and shape using the Miss Claire Eyebrow Pencil, which gives a natural look without harsh lines. On the lashes, I apply one light coat of Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara to lift and define without making the eyes look overdone. Step 5. Lips, natural and easy. To finish the look, I apply Maybelline Baby Lips on the lips for hydration and a soft natural tint. This full routine is simple, budget-friendly, and perfect for anyone who wants a glowing, sun-kissed face without heavy makeup, while keeping the skin fresh and natural.